I'm dipping in my Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Ellis Shadowrock 254 when you tune in for another one. We finna get into this one. Just left the car wash, truck wash, whatever you wanna call it. I remember back in the day I used to spend hours on the weekend signing up my ride. Now I just drive it through the regular joint. Ain't nobody got time for that. Gotta put the business magnet back home, but you know, that's how she look without them. So, basically what we got here is the 2-in-1 support cargo bar, support / cargo bar from Hall Master. Has a capacity of 66 pounds, 360 right-left rotation with swivel adjustment for different angles, and extends from 45 inches to 114 inches. Spring-loaded cam action, pistol grip lever, texture rubber pad with swivel adjustment for different angles, powder coat finish, and then all that. As you can see, submit to whole boxes and all that jazz. So that's all fine and dandy, but is it gonna serve our purposes? And that's what we want to know. This is what we used before, just using a strap. But to kind of expedite the process and free up one of my straps, then we're gonna see what we can do with this. As you can see right here, you just snap this on there like that. Alright, little Poe, you trying to make me out to be a bitch on YouTube. I was trying to spare your little feelings and shit. There we go. So, I mean, it'll be on there. Let's see, what is this for? Oh, okay. So it ratchets like that. Interesting. Let's see. Okay, so it manually extends and can be tied down, and then from there you can physically adjust it, and then you push in on this and it'll retract, so to retrieve it. So pretty straightforward enough. All right, let's get this on here. All right, so we got both sides on. So we're gonna hop up in the bed and get it together. We take our box of goodies. That's all the way back. I'm not exactly sure that's for it. Yeah. Get it on there like that. Make sure you have this tightened all the way down. And there. That's simple. To remove it, like I said, that shit is hard on your knees. Y'all know I got bad knees already. Okay, so pretty simple. It's gonna be a lot quicker or a lot simpler than fooling with a ratchet strap, so I think that's good. I don't know that I necessarily care for this adjusting, but it works. Ta-da! I mean, it's a cargo bar. I mean, I like it. It's, you know, probably not the toughest thing. I mean, it's $15 versus like $22, $11 if you got a 20% off coupon. So it's your choice. Well, bye. At the Shadowrock 254, remember, identify your weaknesses and make your strengths. Go on.